Hello, little girl.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, speak up, okay? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What's your name? Julie. Julie. How old are you? 6 years old. Wow. How are you today? Very nice. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Very nice. Okay, now let's talk about something. What color do you like? You like yellow, pink, purple, and blue. Very good. What color is the sky? The sky is white. There are white clouds outside, no? The sky is blue, okay? Not white. The sky is blue, okay? Can you please look at them? And do you like animals? Okay, what animals do you like? And rabbits, very good. Okay, now please name 3 animals at the zoo. What animals do you see at the zoo? I see kangaroos. At the zoo? Kangaroo. Elephant. Monkeys at the zoo. Very good. And what animals do you see on the farm? I see cats, dogs, and horse on the farm. On the farm. Very good. Okay. Now here, Julie, I will show you some cards. You look at them and tell me what is this. Okay. Ready? Alright, there we go.
Milk.
Milk. Do you like milk? Okay. When do you drink milk? In the morning, in your breakfast, or when you go to bed? In my breakfast. Very good. Here we go. Ice cream, good. Butter, very good. Cheese, good. Scratch. Can I scratch? No. Fight. Is it good to fight? No, that's bad. Challenge. Very good. Is it nice to hit? Is it nice to hit your friends? No. Good. Hurt. Do you cry when you're hurt? Yes. Noodles. Very good. Very good. Juice. Good job. Perfect. Very nice. Good job, Quentin. Okay, now here. Do you like to sing songs? Yes, I do. Okay, now can you please tell me what's the title of this song, please? Okay, now let's sing, okay? Go. Good job. Is turkey big or little? Turkey is big. Okay. And is turkey fat or thin? Very good. Can you see your back? Can you see your back? No. Can turkey see its feet? No, because turkey is fat. How can I see my feet? No, turkey cannot see its feet. All right. So let's move on. Here we have a cow. Okay. Now I have a question for you. For a snack time, how do you say your mother? I want some snack. Very good. Mother, give me some milk for my snack. Good job. Now let's say the chant. Cow. White and black. Oh. All white and black. Come have a snack with me. Very good. Okay, so now, Julie, I will show you some letters, okay? And you name the letters and tell me the sounds, okay? Ready? Go! Good. Very nice. Okay, this one. You make the sound first and then read the word. Okay. Go. Very good. Okay. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know, point your teacher. Good job. Okay. Now here, we have a poem for you to read. Okay, go. Very good. Now here, jam on my pancake. Now here, I see the sound, and you find the letter and say the word. Okay, ready? Pup. Letter P. Where is the pup sound? Here is letter P. Pup. Pancake. Where is the B sound? B. Okay. B. What is this? B. Bread. Okay. And D. What's this word? Donut. Sorry. Can you point? Sound. Ch. Very good. And what do we need between two words? Space. Good job. And what's this? What do you see? Period. Very nice. Okay. Now here we have a big book. Alright? Now can you please tell me the title first? Very good. Now can I have one here please? Now I point and you sing. Okay. Go. Okay, and here lions doing? That's very good. These lions are sleeping in the sun. Very good job. Okay, now let's move on. Do you like to read stories? Okay. Okay, before we go to our story, can you please tell me what are the nice things to say? And thank you. I'm sorry. These are some very nice things too. Okay. Now, if I say thank you, you say, what do you say? Okay. I say sorry. I say thank you. Very good. I say, how do you feel? How do you feel? How are you? Very good. I say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Very good. Okay, we have a song, excuse me. When you burp or sneeze, what do you say? Very good. Now let's sing the song, excuse me. Go. Just sing excuse me, please. Very nice. Okay, now here we have a story for you to read, okay? Here's the pointer. Go! With okay, what do you like for your birthday? Just candy for your birthday? No toys, no cake, no ice cream for your birthday? I like toys, ice cream, fruits, presents, so many things for my birthday. You just want sweets? Candies? Okay. Alright, so now what do you like with your rice? What do you like with your rice? I like meat with my rice. I like fish with my rice. What do you like with your rice? Hmm? Rice with ham, rice with eggs, rice with ham. Very good. Okay. Do you know days of the week? Weekends are cool song and then can you sing please? Monday. Good job. Can you please name days of the week one by one? Tuesday. Good job. Thursday. Very good. Do you go to school on weekend? You go to school on Saturday and Sunday? Do you? Hmm? Okay. What do you do on Saturday and Sunday? Hmm? I'm with my family on weekends. Very good job, Julie. Julie, you have done a great job, and our speaking time is over for today. And we are going to say goodbye, parents, and goodbye, everyone. See you again.